Okay, this is the last place we stopped recording, so I'm going to continue on to the next question. So we want to do question 3 here. I'm going to do the same thing as the last question. I'm going to go A equals 2, B equals -4, and C equals -15. Now I have this B here equaling to -4, and this sometimes people make mistakes with when a B is -4 right here. Okay, so I'm going to write the formula next. So I'm going to go X equals -b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I have the formula memorized. Okay, I actually do have it memorized. Now we're going to sub in the values. So -4. So some of you can put +4 right away there. Plus minus. That means there's going to be two answers with the plus minus. The square root. This -4 has to be in a bracket squared. It's going to become positive. Okay, so it's -4 squared minus 4 times 2 times -15. Okay, all over 2, and make sure that line goes all the way across, 2 over 2. Okay, let's just take a look. This A here, it goes over here with the 4ac and down at the bottom. So it went here, and it went right there. The -4, the B, here, it goes in the front. See, the B goes in the front, and it goes with the B squared here, so the -4 goes here in a bracket. The C, the -15, well, that's only at the end, so it goes here. Okay, let's continue. We'll extend the page and continue the question. Okay, so now we're going to go, we can do the two negatives, so that's just a +4, plus minus, and in the bracket we can find the answer, all over 4. So we go to our calculator here. So we go to our calculator. There it is. And we go in a bracket. Oh, we got to turn it on. In a bracket, we put -4. And we square it. Okay. Then we go -4 bracket 2. And then bracket -15. Now again, be careful whether you use the negative sign on your calculator and the minus sign. Sometimes that minus sign won't work, so you got to use the negative sign. Okay, so then you go here, and you get 136. So -4 squared minus 4 times -15, and you get 136 here. Okay, so we put 136 right here. Okay, now we're going to take the square root of 136. Okay, so we go over here. We're going to square root that. So we're going to go to our square root key. 136. Close the bracket, hit enter, and you get 11.662. So I'll extend the page here. 11.662. So you go 4 plus or minus 11.662. all over 4. Okay, just want to make sure I copied that down correctly. 11.662. Okay, now you're going to separate into 2. So you're going to have 4 plus 11.662 over 4. And you're going to have 4 subtract 11.662 all over 4. And you can put the or in between. And then we go to our calculator. Again, I'll do one with the bracket and one without to show you. So if you don't use the brackets, you go 4 plus 11.662, enter, and then you divide it by 4. Okay, and you get 3.92. 3.92. Now I'll do the other side without the bracket. So I'll do the other side here. With the bracket, sorry, I'll put a bracket. I'll do it all in one step. 4 minus 11.662. I'll close the bracket and I divide it by 4. And I get negative 1.92 rounded. So I get negative 1.92. So I've got my two answers here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one here, number 4. Now, I would like you to try this one yourself. So try it yourself, pause it, see if you get the answer, and then I'm going to put the answer up. Okay, so hopefully you've done it. I'm going to go right away. Now, I'll do this one again. You don't have to write A equals B. Maybe I'll write it on the top in case people need it. A equals 3, B equals -8. Okay, and maybe beside it, C equals -17. You don't have to write that. Okay, I always write the equation. X equals -b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, we'll keep going here. So we'll scroll down here. So -b is -8. Okay, plus minus the square root of -8 squared minus 4 times 3 times -17. Continue that square root symbol. Okay, so we're going to just put the numbers in. That's all we've done there. All over 2, and a is 3. So I'm going a little faster on this one. Okay, next, on the next one here. So let's keep going. Here. So let's see here. So negative is 8. The bottom is 6. Then we go to our calculator. When we work it out, hopefully we get 268. 268 here. Okay, so we get 268 there. Then we take the square root of 268. So over on the next one here, we go 8 plus minus the square root of 16.37 all over 6. Divided into two questions. So you get 8 plus 16.37 all over 6, or you get 8 minus 16.37 all over 6, and then your answer should be 4.06, or, so let's extend it here, or instead of 4.06 you get -1.4. Okay, I'm going to pause the video or stop the video, and then we'll come back and do the last 3. At this time you can. If you want, you can go on and you can do question 5, and then I'm going to put it up in 1 second, or in the next video.